Unlock your AI side hustle, a beginner's guide to earning online. Imagine a world where technology works for you, opening doors to new income opportunities without requiring years of technical training. That world is here, powered by artificial intelligence, or AI. For many, AI might conjure images of complex algorithms and futuristic robots. However, the reality is that AI has become increasingly accessible and user-friendly, offering everyday individuals a chance to tap into the vast potential of the online marketplace. This guide will explore some of the simplest and most innovative ways a normal, non-technical person can leverage AI to start earning money online today, from creating engaging content to assisting online businesses and even translating languages, all with the incredible capabilities of AI at your fingertips. AI superpowers you can use to earn. The content creator. Do you enjoy expressing yourself through writing, but sometimes find yourself facing a blank page? AI can be an invaluable creative partner, assisting with brainstorming ideas, drafting compelling content, and even crafting engaging posts for social media. User-friendly AI writing tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Copy AI function much like a dedicated writing assistant. Simply provide a topic or a few keywords, and these tools can generate articles, social media updates, or even email newsletters. For instance, if you have a passion for gardening, you could ask AI to write a blog post about essential tips for growing herbs indoors. The accessibility of these AI writing tools has significantly lowered the barrier to entry for freelance writing and content creation. AI can handle the initial stages of content generation, allowing you to focus on refining the output, adding your unique voice, and ensuring the final piece resonates with your audience. This also creates a demand for individuals who can edit and fact-check AI-generated content, presenting another avenue for earning online. Imagine offering your services as an AI-assisted writer on platforms such as Upwork or Fiverr, helping businesses create content more efficiently. Alternatively, you could launch your own blog or social media channel, utilizing AI to generate content and then monetizing it through advertising or affiliate marketing. The visual artist. Do you dream of creating stunning visuals but lack formal design training? AI can empower you to bring your artistic visions to life, assisting in the creation of captivating images and even generating ideas for short videos. User-friendly AI image and video generation tools like Canva, Midjourney, and InVideo allow you to generate images from simple text prompts or even transform existing text into engaging videos. Imagine crafting unique artwork for print-on-demand products like t-shirts or coffee mugs, or producing eye-catching visuals for your social media platforms. The commercial potential of AI-generated art is significant, with many individuals successfully selling their creations online. You could sell your AI-generated artwork on marketplaces like Etsy or Redbubble, or utilize AI to create captivating videos for your own YouTube channel or TikTok. It is worth noting that as AI-generated art becomes more prevalent, ensuring the uniqueness and proper licensing of your creations is advisable. The e-commerce assistant. Running an online store can be a demanding endeavor. Fortunately, AI can step in to streamline various aspects, from crafting compelling product descriptions that entice customers to handling basic customer inquiries efficiently. Simple AI tools such as Workbot, Copy.ai, and WriteSonic can generate product descriptions swiftly and effectively. For customer service, platforms like Tidio2 and Gorgeous offer AI-powered chatbots capable of answering frequently asked questions and providing instant support, ultimately enhancing customer satisfaction. 2. AI-powered chatbots can manage a large volume of customer inquiries simultaneously. 1. Leading to improved efficiency and potentially reduced operational costs for online businesses. This creates an opportunity for individuals with an eye for persuasive writing or a knack for customer service to offer their expertise to e-commerce businesses. You could assist them in optimizing their product listings and providing efficient customer support through the use of AI tools. the virtual helper. In today's fast-paced world, staying organized and managing daily tasks can be challenging. AI can act as your personal virtual assistant, providing valuable support in scheduling meetings, managing your inbox, and keeping your life on track. Beginner-friendly AI virtual assistant tools like Fireflies.ai, Otter.ai, and Clockwise can transcribe meeting notes, schedule appointments automatically, and even help manage your calendar. The efficiency gains offered by AI virtual assistants are significant, making them a valuable asset for busy professionals and small businesses seeking to optimize their time. Imagine offering these services to clients who need assistance in staying organized and productive. You could market yourself as an AI-powered virtual assistant on freelance platforms, highlighting your ability to automate routine tasks and improve overall efficiency for your clientele. The ongoing development of AI agents, capable of handling a wider range of tasks autonomously, suggests a future where AI virtual assistants becomes even more sophisticated and sought after. The language expert in an increasingly interconnected world, the ability to communicate across language barriers is more important than ever. AI can help bridge these gaps by providing fast and accurate translation services, enabling you to connect with a global audience. User-friendly AI translation tools such as Google Translate, Six, DeepL2, and SmartCat make it easy to translate text, documents, and even entire websites into numerous languages. This opens up opportunities to assist businesses in reaching international customers or to translate content for a broader global audience. While AI translation offers speed and accessibility, it's worth noting that highly skilled human translators who can integrate AI into their workflow remain valuable, especially for complex or nuanced content. As an AI-assisted translator, you could offer your services on freelance platforms too, helping businesses translate their websites, marketing materials, or customer communications effectively, from zero to earning. Real-life inspiration. The idea of making money online with AI might still feel abstract. However, numerous individuals without a strong technical background are already successfully leveraging AI to generate income. Take Emma, for example, who started a YouTube channel reviewing tech products. By using AI tools to optimize her video titles, descriptions, and editing process, she now earns over $6,000 per month. Consider also the many people who are tapping into their creativity with AI image generators to create and sell unique artwork online, including custom portraits and designs for various merchandise. Freelance writers are also finding success by using AI to streamline their workflow, allowing them to take on more clients and ultimately increase their earnings. Even in the realm of e-commerce, individuals are using AI to craft compelling product descriptions and manage customer service inquiries, freeing up valuable time to focus on other crucial aspects of their online businesses. These examples illustrate that the possibilities for earning online with AI are vast and continue to expand. Your path to profit, getting started with AI. The journey from curiosity to earning with AI involves understanding the practical aspects of time, income, and costs. The time commitment for a beginner can vary depending on the chosen method and the effort invested. For instance, in content creation, you might begin to see initial income within a few weeks or months as you build your portfolio or audience. Establishing a client base for e-commerce or virtual assistant services may take a bit longer. Translation services, especially if you possess existing language skills, could potentially offer quicker returns. Similarly, the potential income range for beginners varies. In areas like content creation or virtual assistants, you might start by earning $20 to $50 per project or hour, with the potential for growth as your experience and skills develop. E-commerce and specialized services such as translation can offer higher earning potential depending on the specific niche and market demand. It's encouraging to know that many of the AI tools discussed offer free plans or trial periods, allowing you to begin your exploration without a significant upfront financial commitment. For example, both ChatGPT 9 and Canva 25 offer free versions. Paid plans for more advanced tools like Jasper, Copy AI, and Midjourney typically range from $10 to $50 per month, depending on the specific features and usage levels required. 40. The relatively low cost of entry for many AI tools makes these online income opportunities accessible to a broad spectrum of individuals. Income method example: AI tools estimated time commitment beginner, potential income range beginner. Typical costs: content creation ChatGPT. Jasper, Copy AI, few hours a week to start, $20 to $50 project, $100 per month potential. Free plans available, paid plans from $39 per month. Visual art, Canva, Midjourney, InVideo, few hours a week to start, varies based on sales volume. Free plans available, paid plans from $10 per month. E-commerce assistant, Workbot, Copy AI, Tidio, few hours a week to start, $20 to $50 per hour, $100 per month potential. Free plans available. Paid plans from $39 per month. Virtual helper, Fireflies.ai, Otter.ai, Clockwise, few hours a week to start, $20 to $50 per hour, $100 per month potential. Free plans available, paid. Plans from $8 per month. Language expert, Google Translate, DeepL, SmartCat, few hours per week to start, 10 cents to 15 cents per word, $100 plus month potential. Free plans available, paid plans from $8.74 per month. Smart Moves, tips for AI success. To effectively leverage AI for online income, especially if you're new to the technology, there are several smart strategies to keep in mind. Begin by exploring the free AI tools available to gain a practical understanding of how AI works and what it can do. To avoid feeling overwhelmed, it's often helpful to concentrate on one specific area that genuinely interests you. Remember that while AI can generate content quickly, it's crucial to always review and edit the output to ensure accuracy, add your unique personal touch, and maintain a human-like quality. Don't hesitate to experiment with different prompts and settings within the AI tools to discover the best ways to achieve your desired results. When it comes to finding clients or marketing your AI-powered services, consider utilizing freelance platforms like Upwork, 15, and Fiverr to connect with potential employers. 2. Creating a portfolio that showcases your work will be invaluable in demonstrating your skills and attracting clients. 6. Networking with other online entrepreneurs and AI enthusiasts in online communities can also provide valuable insights and opportunities. Finally, consider specializing your services in a particular niche that you understand well, as this can help you stand out and attract more targeted clients. Always remember that AI is a powerful tool to assist you, but your unique skills, creativity, and expertise remain essential ingredients for online success. Staying ahead, challenges and solutions. While AI presents remarkable opportunities for online income generation, it's important to acknowledge the potential challenges that a non-technical person might encounter. These challenges could include the initial learning curve associated with new AI tools, the need to ensure the quality and accuracy of AI-generated content, and the ongoing effort required to stay updated with the rapidly evolving AI landscape. To navigate these challenges effectively, consider starting with beginner-friendly AI tools that offer comprehensive tutorials and readily available support. Always prioritize double-checking any information generated by AI and incorporate your own knowledge and expertise to ensure accuracy. Engaging with online communities dedicated to AI and online income can provide valuable support and help you stay informed about the latest trends and developments. Rather than trying to master every aspect of AI at once, focus on developing a specific skill set that aligns with your interests and goals. 89. The continuous evolution of AI means that a commitment to ongoing learning and adaptation will be key to long-term success. Your AI Learning Hub. Resources and support. For those eager to delve deeper into the world of making money online with AI, numerous accessible resources are available. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and iLearns Online and edX offer introductory courses on AI and its practical applications. Websites such as Publishing.com and Hostinger.com 6 provide helpful articles, tutorials, and guides. Online communities on platforms like Reddit, for example, Our Side Hustle, Our Passive Income, and dedicated AI forums offer excellent opportunities to connect with fellow enthusiasts, ask questions, and learn from shared experiences. Additionally, consider exploring the Train AI community for hands-on experience in contributing to real-world AI projects through various data-related tasks. Conclusion: the future of earning is here. As demonstrated, the prospect of making money online with AI is no longer confined to the realm of science fiction. It represents a tangible and increasingly accessible opportunity for individuals from all backgrounds, regardless of their technical expertise. By embracing the user-friendly AI tools and strategies discussed, you can unlock your own AI superpower and embark on a journey towards generating online income. Whether you choose to explore the world of content creation, visual arts, e-commerce assistance, virtual help, or language translation, the key is to select an area that genuinely excites you. Experiment with the available tools and never be afraid to try something new. The future of earning is here, driven by the transformative power of AI. Take that initial step today, and you might be surprised by the remarkable achievements that await you. If you like the video, please share and subscribe.